welcome to Lynn's Recipes. Today I'm going to make a Tex-Mex summer squash casserole. The amounts of the ingredients that you're going to need to make the casserole will be listed in the information box below, or you can find it on the website. The ingredients are, you'll need some kind of summer squash. I'm using zucchini. You could use the yellow squash or you could use a combination, whatever you prefer. You'll need some sliced pickled jalapeno peppers, some flour. You'll need some chopped onion. You'll need some grated Mexican cheese, pepper, some salsa, and additional cheese for the topping. You're also going to want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees, and you're going to want to spray a 9x13 baking dish with cooking spray. I've started by putting my sliced zucchini in this big bowl, and I'm going to add the onions, the jalapenos, and my jalapeno slices were rather large, so I did give them a little chop just to make them a little bit smaller. You'll put half of your cheese and the flour. Now I'm just going to stir this all together to mix it. Okay, this is all mixed together, so now I'm going to pour it into my casserole dish. I'm just going to spread it out evenly in the dish. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is take this non-stick aluminum foil and cover it. And now it goes into the 350 degree oven for 30 to 40 minutes until the squash is soft, and then we'll do the next step. My zucchini has cooked for 40 minutes. I just took it out of the oven, and so the next step is to spread the salsa on top. So that's what I'm going to do now. You can use whatever salsa you want. Just going to kind of take my little spatula and try to get it even. Okay. And now I'm going to sprinkle over the reserved cheese. And I'm going to grind some pepper on top. And the pepper is to taste, however much you would prefer. So now what I'm going to do is put this back in the oven and let it continue to cook until it is bubbly and brown on the top, or for about 10 minutes, whichever comes first. I cooked my casserole for an additional 10 minutes. I just took it out and this is what it looks like. And now I'll put some on a plate and serve it. This is Tex-Mex Summer Squash Casserole. I hope you enjoy it.